It's a lucky catch. What this guy's doing today. I just pulled in here to eat my lunch. This guy was sitting here. It's not the normal locals, I don't think. I don't know what he's doing. He's might be shoving cars in the little yard over there, or maybe he's hooking up to go eastbound. I'm not sure. I'm gonna eat my lunch and see what this guy does. Yeah, he must be putting cars away down there. That would be my guess. Nice snowy March day here in Northeast Ohio. I think most of this snow is coming off of Lake Erie. Yeah, we probably picked up 2 or 3 inches since yesterday. A lot of it yesterday melted because it was about 36 degrees, but it's only about 26 today. And everything since last night's actually kind of stuck around. All right, I'm going in where it's warm until this guy does something. Or switching. Pretty good front row view here. It's one of my favorite spots to come eat lunch. Right behind the BP station. Just west of the depot. My radio just died. Need to keep an extra set of batteries in here. I'm pretty sure he's just putting cars away. There's a set of tracks up there where there's, I don't know, two or three sets of tracks where they can shove these grainers for that plastic place west of town. He's going over the crossing. Well, maybe he's headed out of town. I doubt. Well, I suppose he could go through the he could go through the crossovers and then back up on the main. That doesn't make a lot of sense. Not with those engines on there. I kind of think he's out. He's going east. Well, when he goes by here, we'll see if there's an end of train device on this thing. That'll tell me. There's the end down there. About another 8 cars. Yeah, he might be out of town. Looks like he dropped a car down at the end there. Well, no device on there. I would guess he's going to be backing up over on the main line out there. We'll see. Yep, there he is back on the main, coming back down. That's kind of what I figured what was going on. Huh, he just came to a stop here. I figured maybe he was shoving these all the way down to the plastic place at the end now that he's on the main, but I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll see. He's running around all these cars, put them on the main and running around them here on the B&O. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Glad I got to the bottom of that mystery.